Hola my beauties, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Gurishq Kaur, and in today's video I'm going to teach you all how I created this very soft monochromatic warm peach look. It's perfect for any Indian wear, any Indian wedding guest makeup look, and honestly there's nothing really like an Indian makeup look. Like if you add a pair of jhumkis and a bindi to any western makeup look, it's an Indian makeup look. Well, so it's more about how you dress it. You can even carry it on like a romantic day, like a soft peachy eye and a soft peachy nude lip. So to know more how I created this look, please keep on watching. And that's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and learned a thing or two. Do let me know in the comments below what other videos you would like to see. If you want more makeup tutorials or more reviews or whatsoever you would like to see, and I shall serve them to you all. That's all for today. I'll see you in my next one.